Okay, this is a very short video, and one thing good about the Revit H2O Pant 4 is that they come with different liners, and this morning I thought when I left it was going to rain quite a bit. I rode for a little bit and it didn't end up raining, and temperatures rising, so I took the rain liner out of the pant. And this video is just simply to show you how long does it take to take the liner out of your pants if you have it on. So it does take a couple minutes, but that's a couple minutes, so it's not a big deal. So again, it looked like it was going to really rain when I was in Oregon, and it didn't. So I had to stop here. I found this little public bathroom, and nobody was around. And so I went there and took the pants off, unzipped the liner, which fits in really, really well, and then take it off and fold it up and put it in my pannier. So if you're looking at these pants, these Revit H2O4 pants, I'm sure the H2O5 are similar. The liner goes in and out very easily, but it does take a little bit of a little bit of time and effort, but you certainly can do it. They also come with a warm liner. It's a little padded, looks like a little padded liner just for warmth. It's not waterproof. It's the same thing. You have to zip it in there and zip it out when you don't want it. Now with this liner here, this rain liner, in the wintertime, I will wear that when it's cold because it does produce enough warmth. Also, if it does rain, then I'm protected in the winter months. But it doesn't take much time. You do have to pull over. You can't do it while you're riding. Maybe you could, but that would take a very talented rider. I have to pull over and stop, take your pants off, and I'm 68 years old, and I got a bad back, so it takes a minute for me to do this. So you young people, if you have this pair of pants and the liners, it'd probably take you half the time it took me, but it works great. And again, if you're willing just to stop occasionally, not very often, and do this, it works pretty good. Now, to put the liners in takes about twice as long because you got to line the pant legs up, got to get the zippers in. A little more time consuming putting the liner in because you want to get it right, make sure the legs aren't twisted. But you can, again, it's 5 minutes instead of 2 minutes, right? So these are great pants. And with the liners that you can, the two different liners that come with the pants, the liner that gives you warmth, the liner that gives you waterproof, they are really good pants, but it does take a minute to take these liners, put them in, and it takes a minute to put take the liners out. And unless you're in really heavy rain, I don't, in the summertime, particularly when it's warm, I don't know if you really need to put the rain liner in, but there you go. I just wanted to share what it looks like, and it works very good. So thanks for watching. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Appreciate it. Thanks.